Chennai Academy of Architecture and Design. Let's build a new world together.
The Caad will have a continuous lecture series every month with the leading architects. Every architects will deliver their projects which will be more helpful for the student in creative thinking and designing their spaces.
At Caad, we focus on all cultural activities like singing, dancing and other special performance of each and every student to nurture it. We not only concentrate on the academics but also on the special performance and perennial activities of the students to give our students a lively exposure.
A special concern about the Caad, why the students will prefer it. We at Caad, every semester, with a joy of smile, will start our day by conducting a special workshop for the students to improve their skills as well as making them strong in their field. Considering this, we will conduct a certified workshops on Ribbit as well as SketchUp. So, we as a Caad family, not only creating architects, but we are creating outstanding professionals to the world.
We at Caad focus on international exposure to our students. We strongly believe that teaching pedagogy across the world has varied approaches, and we would like to bring that to our students. We have collaborated with international universities like Alpha University Malaysia and Lincoln University College Malaysia for exchange programs for teachers and for students. This is not only for architectural exposure, but also for varied cultural and living exposures.
Caad, Chennai Academy of Architecture and Design. Near Periyapalai Amman Temple, Chennai Tirupati Highway, Chennai 601102, Tamil Nadu. A standalone architecture college with international standards. Anna University Counseling Code 1152. For admissions, contact 9710 554545. or 9710930025 or log on to www.caad.ac.in.